guys! Welcome back to my channel. Pero bago ang lahat, nakasubscribe na ba kayo sa channel ko? If not, click the subscribe button na, and of course, don't forget to click the bell beside it para lagi kayong notified if I have new uploads. Pero for today, I'm gonna be doing a clothing haul. So I haven't done a clothing haul in a hot minute. That is because I gained weight, and I gained so much more weight, I can't even. Walang dapat sisihin kundi ang sarili ko dahil ako ay nagtakaw. Tipong wala talaga beshi. Hindi na ako nag-gym, nagtatakaw pa ako. So double kill tayo. I'm gonna be showing you these items that I got from ZAFUL and from Little HAZEL. Unahin na natin si ZAFUL guys kasi hindi naman sobrang dami yung mga clothes na meron ako. But before I start with the clothes, I wanna just get through the one pair of shoes that I got from ZAFUL. By the way, ang bilis lang ng shipping ng ZAFUL, as in less than a week, andito na yung items. Tapos, door to door siya, meaning no customs, hindi ka dadaan dun sa mga customs na yun. I really like ZAFUL, as in naka-order na ako before there, and ang bilis lang talaga ng shipping, and affordable pa yung items. But I have to say, hit or miss lang siya. Not everything that I receive, I end up loving. Yun lang talaga. So, very hit or miss siya. The first thing that I got from ZAFUL is this pair of sock boots. I would call this a sock boot kasi ano siya, parang garterized yung pinaka dito niya. Medyo mahaba siya but it doesn't reach your knee, so kayang-kaya. Whenever I shop for boots, guys, I prefer yung mga primary colors or yung mga very basic neutral colors. You can never go wrong with black eh. So I chose the color black and ang ganda niya lang, beshi. Sobrang nice niya. Got it in a size 39 kasi hindi ko sigurado. Tapos nung chinek ko yung size chart, ito lang siya. So moving on to the actual clothes, yung first na nakuha ko from ZAFUL is this super cute, roughly off-the-shoulder top. Actually, hindi ko sure kung off-the-shoulder siya. I think you can wear it off-the-shoulder like this. Pero feeling ko naman pwede mo rin siyang isuot na nakaganito yung sleeves. But it's just a basic white top na is in very roughly. This top reminds me of something I would get from Zara or mga ganon. Zara, ang peg, or Reformation. So ayun, pwede mo siyang itay sa harap na ganyan. Sorry guys, hindi ko ma-describe ng maayos yung mga clothing pieces. When I shop online, I prefer looking at basics para lang no fail tayo kasi hindi naman natin alam yung magiging itsura nila. So it's better to go with basic pieces. So I got this. Second top that I got looks like this. Hindi ko siya mapakita ng maayos pero it's an actual off-the-shoulder. Pero meron lang halter detail dito. Nakikita niyo ba yung strings? But it's just got stars in it and I thought this was so cute. Also, feeling ko yung color na black, it makes me look a little slimmer. So, kaya ko siya kinuha. But I really like it. And yung quality ng stars niya, guys, very glittery. So, very metallic. Nakakatuwa lang. Yeah! Next thing I got is actually a dress. Mukha siyang medyo like lousy tignan dito. Pero once you try it on, it actually looks so cute. It's an orange off-the-shoulder dress. So, mahaba siya, beshi. Mahaba to, tas may ruffle detail sa ilalim. Pero sa off-shoulder dress lang. Actually, alam ko meron siyang parang pang-cinch dito para mas magmukha siyang dress and sexy. Pero hindi ko mahanap. Pero hopefully, pag try on ko na, makikita nyo na lang yung itsura. But this is so cute. Parang ang bilis kang makita ng tao kasi very pop yung parang pagka-orange ito. It's so beautiful in person. And ang ganda rin ng quality niya. Another thing, when I shop online, I usually get the most flattering piece of clothing for me, which is off-shoulders. So I got another one. So ganyan lang siya. Very cute. This is like pink-orange naman. Very salmon ang color. So very bagay sa room ko. Pag nag-film ako, baka makita nyo na lang to sa isang video ko. Pero ang ganda lang niya. Basic top na off the shoulder and it's got like yung lettuce na hem na parang ganon. So it's really cute. I got a cropped sweater. This is like with the primary colors orange, green, red, blue, yellow. So mga ganito. Sobrang nice, no? And it's very, very, very cropped. Pag hindi ko alam yung susuotin ko, something like this na talagang statement piece na tapos just black or like regular pair of jeans or bottoms tapos boots or kahit sneakers. It's a look, people. It's a look. And sobrang nice niya. I like that it's long sleeve pero crop siya dito. Kahit na hindi ganoon kaliit yung chan ko, okay lang din kasi parang kaya ko naman siya idaan sa high waist jeans or pants na susuotin ko. Pero I got this one. It's so cute. Sorry guys if I say so cute all the time. Like, paano mo ba i-describe yung isang clothing piece? It's so cute. I also got a dress. This is a red floral dress and it looks so beautiful. Oh, beautiful na ba siya? Beautiful. This reminds me of something you will see in Cotton On or Reformation. Even like they make a lot of these floral dresses na very flattering lang for everyone. I feel like everyone that wears this will actually look good in it. So that is the reason why I got it. Very flattering din ng pagka-sleeveless niya kasi sleeveless siya, but it doesn't look too revealing. It still looks youthful. So parang ang ganda lang. Ang classy nitong dress na to. Even if it's just a casual dress. So that is why I got it. Last thing that I got from ZAFUL is this. It's a faux leather jacket in a baby kind of light millennial pink color. Napakaganda niya, guys. And very, very Sturdy din, sobrang high quality, and hindi siya yung tipong mabilis mag-chip or magpunit or whatever. Yung pagka-pink ito, hindi siya yung sobrang strikingly pink na sobrang, oh, that's too pink. Hindi siya ganun. Yung pagka-pink, it's very calming. Parang ang ganda, diba? So, yeah. The rest of these are from littlhazel.us. I super love yung selection nila kasi very curated na yung pieces nila. So, maganda rin talaga as in. Yung mga pieces sa Little Hazel, very very street style. Tapos yung iba very trendy. And then yung iba very classy. So, they have a lot of varying styles pero ang gaganda lahat, promise. First thing that I got is actually what I'm wearing. So, it's like a blue, white, and pink, long sleeve polo shirt. I love it. It's very cozy. It is like a tomboy style, but I really like that. And it just has like a lot of characters that I cannot read. So, sobrang ganda niya. It's a long sleeve polo and it's so fun. I feel like if I wear this with high-waisted shorts, ang ganda na and very casual lang siya. So, super easy to style. I like it. Got me some basics. I like going for basics yun nga. So, I got the same thing in just 2 different colors. Long sleeve v-neck basic tops. Ayan. So, I got it in an oatmeal-y color and then this is just a nice brown, like espresso, parang gano'n. Medyo kulay kape siya. And both of them look so nice with just high-waisted anything. Kumuha ako ng mga madaming tops. I rarely go for bottoms kasi mahirap baka hindi lang magkasya. And sayang naman, diba? So, for tops kasi, it's a little bit more forgiving. So, I got tops for the most part. I got a dress from Little Hazel and this is just another off-shoulder dress. One of those off-shoulder dresses that I always get online. This one has puffy sleeves. Sobrang cute niya. The color is not typically something that I'd go for. Wala akong masyadong kulay na ganito. Yung medyo green na parang light green na parang faded green. Parang ganon. And ang ganda niya. Sobrang flattering pag meron kang mga yung parang patita event. Yung mga patita or mga pa-feminine na labas with friends, ito yung susuotin ko. Like a brunch with your friends. Parang ganun. I also got a denim jacket from Little Hazel and it just looks like a plain medium wash denim jacket. But the thing I love about it is what is at the back. I love this print. It just says Milano. Tapos meron siyang parang print ang ng girl. And I really like it. I feel like it just adds a statement to the plain, boring denim jacket. And I don't have a denim jacket that is in this wash. So, it's so pretty. I like it. It's very sturdy. Sobrang high quality ng jacket na to as in. So, cannot wait to pair this with just my usual outfit. I also got this cardigan. Yan, cardigan. Tapos meron siyang mga, it's a knitted cardigan pero ang dami niyang mga different colors, black, red, and cream. And I thought this would look good pag nasa ibang bansa ako. Hindi ko naman siya necessarily isusuot sa Philippines. Mainit sa atin, guys. So, isusuot ko siya pag nasa ibang bansa. Ang ganda rin ng mga botones ito, beshi. Sobrang nice. And sobrang kapal niya. So, pag malamig dun sa country na pupuntahan ko, maganda to. And alam mo yung parang pag may plain turtleneck ka lang, tapos plain jeans. Ito na yung parang magsisilbing statement piece dun sa outfit. So, I got this. Got a random thing. Ping pong socks. Usually, pag nag-online shopping ako, gusto ko may mga random knickknacks ako nilalagay. So, this time, it's a pair of ping pong socks. Sobrang cute kaya, don't judge me pero I feel like I lose my socks all the time. So, I feel like I always need a new pair. Ako lang ba yun? Lahat ng socks nawawala? Of course, more basics. I got this shirt that says Love 1982 or 9. 1989? 2? Who knows? I'm not born on either of those dates. I was born 1986, pero ang ganda lang. Very casual, very nice. You can throw it on pag tipong boring day, wala ka nang pupuntahan. Or kung tipong pupunta ka lang sa mall, gusto mo ng something easy. T-shirts are still the way to go. I got a pair of shorts and high-waisted shorts lang to. Pero yung gusto ko sa kanya, hindi ko alam kung medyo nakikita nyo, pero it's got like a pink wash to it. So, sa likod, meron siyang pagka-wash ng pink. Hindi ko alam kung kita nyo, pero tip nakasulat dito. Tapos, may wash siya ng pink. I thought that just added a little something to the shorts. So, use. By the way, guys, meron pala akong Taytay haul. Kung gusto nyo makita pa rin yung Taytay haul ko, if you're still interested na makita yung mga hinol ko from Taytay months ago, give this video a thumbs up so I know. And I'm gonna film that this week. Konti na lang mga besh. I got another basic top. This one. Sobrang cute niya lang kasi meron siyang yung lalaki na nag-swim, ganyan, nag-yoga, nakakatuwa. Cute. Sobrang basic top. And, ayun nga, I just like tops like this kasi ang bilis nilang i-pair. And this one has like a quirky vibe to it. So, that is the reason why I got it. I got another polo top. Tapos, meron lang siyang ganitong detail, v-neck, plain chiffon top. I feel like I can play around with this a little bit and just add a lot of accessories on top of it, or pair it with skirts, shorts, and pants. So, great basic. So, I got a pair of pants. Ito wide leg lang siya. Tapos green yung color niya. I wouldn't normally go for green in terms of bottoms kasi feeling ko mas adventurous yun pag sa bottoms. And hindi naman ako ma-adventurous. I like going the neutral route. Pero ito, okay naman siya. Wide leg. Typical bottoms na may buttons. O, di ba? Pero yan, super nice lang yan siguro for events. Pag may events ka kasi parang pipicturean ka dun, gusto mo ng something different. Thankfully, we are on the last item. So, the last item that I got is actually the simplest one of all. Ito yung parang tank top lang and it just says cherry bomb. It's got a pop of color kasi ano siya, mustard siya. There was a phase last year na sobrang into mustard ako. I still am, but just not much right now. I remember last year, I was all about the mustard shades and this is such a cute statement tank top kasi bold yung color niya and it, you know, paired with anything really, this will make you pop. Love it. And I think that's it. In lang talaga. Ang daming mga clothes. Nag-pile up na kasi sila guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry ulit kung maingay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, if you want more clothing try-on hauls, and if you guys want me to continue my tay-tay haul, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, of course. Comment kayo sa description box, guys, what you want to see next from my channel. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next one. Bye!